Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Mathematics, New Secondary Book 1, Abstract Students Class 6, and New Syllabus Mathematics D1, Exercise 6A, question number 5 is, plot each set of the given points on a sheet of graph paper. Join the points in order with straight lines and identify each geometrical shape obtained. And there are 5 parts, and 5 parts have different coordinates, so we have to plot these coordinates of all the parts and then join all the coordinates with straight line and find that what the shape is being made by these coordinates. So students, first we will prepare the graph paper, and for the preparation of graph paper, students, we have to draw the horizontal and vertical line on a piece of graph so that we can plot these coordinates. So students, in the middle of the page I will use any of the dark line to show x-axis. So students, I am going to draw a line in the middle of the page, and this line will be represented by x-axis. On the left side it will be negative, and on the right side it will be positive. So students, I have drawn 2 points on the piece of graph x-axis. And students, in the same way, in the middle of this page I will draw a vertical line with the help of scale, and this line will be called y-axis. The horizontal line is x-axis, whereas the vertical line is y-axis. This is positive, and on the below side it is negative. The points where both the lines are intersecting each other is called origin and is represented by O or 0. Then on right side I will highlight the point on every dark line and then indicate it with the positive integers toward the right side. So students, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and on the left side on each dark line on x-axis I will put the point. Keep in mind students, we have just put the point, not 0, and then write the negative numbers on left side, and it will become -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Keep in mind students, in the center where both the lines are intersecting is called origin or O or 0, and then we have to start from 0 toward right as well as toward left and on the above side of the x-axis, and it is 1. Every dark line will be highlighted with the help of ball pen, and then we will write the integers or numbers, positive numbers on the above of x-axis, whereas negative number on below x-axis. No, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in the same way on below of x-axis I will again highlight the each dark line with the nib of the ball point. And students, we have just make a dot, not a 0. Keep in mind, just put the dot on every dark line and then write the negative numbers. It is -1, it is -2, it is -3, it is -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. And students, we have to plot the coordinates of part A, and the coordinates of part A are 6 and 4. So students, as the first number is 6 and it is counted on x-axis, so it is 6, and the ordinate is 4, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Students, this point is indicated by 6 and 4, and I will write 6 and 4 here after putting the dot, and it is indicating that it is 6 and 4. Second coordinate is, students, minus 6 and 4. So minus 6 will be on the left side and it is minus 6, and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So students, this point is minus 6 and 4. The third coordinates are minus 6 and minus 4. So students, minus 6 mean we have to move toward left and it is minus 6. And then students, minus 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it is minus 6 and minus 4. And students, last pair of coordinate is 6 and minus 4. So it is 6 on right side of y-axis, and minus 4 mean 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this point is, students, 6 and minus 4. Now students, we will join all these 4 points with the help of scale. Now I am going to join these points, and students, then we will identify that what the figure is. Now join all the 4 points with the help of scale as I am going to join them. And now students, we have to identify that what the shape is after joining all the 4 coordinates with the help of scale. Now students, we can count, or we can measure the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 unit is the length, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 unit is the width. So this shape is rectangle. So we can write as length is equal to 12 units, or you can say that 12 centimeter, and width is 1, 2, 3, 8 units. So students, and all angles are right angles, so this shape is the rectangle. So the first part of question number 5 is rectangle. Now students, on the same page I will draw B part, and the coordinates of B part are 0 and minus 5. So it is okay students, I am going to draw another page, graph page. Students, B part of question number 5 is we have to plot these coordinates, and coordinates are 0 and 5. And students, it is 0 on x-axis and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This point is 0 and 5. Second pair of coordinate is minus 6 and 0. So students, for minus 6 we will move toward left side and it is minus 6, and y is 0. So students, this point is minus 6 and 0. This point is indicating minus 6 and 0. And then students, 0 and minus 5. So students, it is 0 and it is minus 5. This point is indicating 0 and minus 5. And the last pair of coordinate is 0 and 6 and 0. So students, it is 6 and 0. 0 mean we will not move upward or downward. So this point is 6 and 0. Now students, we will join all these 4 points with the help of scale and identify that what the shape is. 6 and 5 and 6 and 5. So students, we will join these 4 points and then we will identify that what the shape is. So students, this shape is we can measure the length with the help of scale. So students, it is approximately 3 centimeter, 3 inches not centimeter, and this line is also 3 centimeter. But keep in mind students, these angles are not right angle, so this figure is a rhombus, because no angle is right angle but all sides are equal. So students, this figure is a rhombus. Students, this figure is a rhombus. Rhombus is a figure in which all sides are equal but no right angle. That figure is called rhombus. And if all sides and all angles are equal, then the figure will be square. So this figure contains all equal sides, but keep in mind that no angle is right angle. That's why this figure is a rhombus. Students, I am going to solve C part on the same piece of graph, and I will use now blue marker to indicate that what the C part is. So I will plot the coordinates of C part that are 0 and 0. So this point is indicating 0 and 0. Then students, second coordinates are 0 and 8. This is 0 on x-axis and it is 8 on y-axis. So this point is indicating that 0 and 8. And the last pair of coordinate is 5 and 4. So students, it is 5 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this point is indicating 5 and 4. Now students, I will join all these 3 points with the help of scale, and we will find that what kind of figure is there. It will be definitely triangle, because there are only 3 coordinates. So students, what kind of triangle is it, we will indicate. So students, keep in mind that 5 and 4 mean it is in the middle. So students, this line and this line will be equal and it is a straight line. So students, it is an isosceles triangle, because two sides are equal and third is not equal. So a triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Students, D part of the same question is that we have to plot the coordinates, and coordinates are 1 and 0. So students, it is 1 and 0 mean we will not move upward or downward. So this point is 1 and 0. Second coordinate is 0 and 3. So students, it is 0 and it is 3. So this point is indicating 0 and 3. And then students, next is minus 1 and 4. So student, it is minus 1 and it is 4. So the coordinates are minus 1 and 4. And the last pair of coordinate is minus 5 and minus 2. So students, it is minus 5 and this point is minus 2. So students, minus 5 and minus 2. Now we will join all the 4 points with the help of scale. And students, these are the 4 points that we are going to join them, and this will be just quadrilateral, because this figure don't have any similarity in the sides. So there are 4 straight lines. So students, it is just quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a figure that has 4 sides. So students, 1, 2, 3 and 4, there are 4 sides which are not equal or not in any sequence. So this figure is just a quadrilateral. Now students, on the same piece of page or graph, I am going to solve E part, and for solving E part I will use this blue ink or blue marker so that we can highlight the coordinates. So students, E part is 5 and 2. Students, this point is 5 and 1 and 2. This point is 5 and 2. Second pair of coordinate is minus 1 and 3. Students, this is minus 1 and it is 3. This point is minus 1 and 3. And students, third is minus 1 and minus 3. It is minus 1 and it is minus 3. So student, it is minus 1 and minus 3. And the last pair of coordinate is 5 and minus 2. So student, it is 5 and it is minus 2. So 5 and minus 2. Now students, we will join all the 4 points with the help of scale, and I will use this marker just to highlight the figure so that we can identify the figure easily. So students, when we join these two lines, four straight lines, so students, if you look at this figure that is drawn with the blue marker, students, these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, whereas these two lines are non-parallel. So students, this figure is called trapezium. Trapezium is a figure in which one pair of opposite side is parallel, whereas the other pair of sides are non-parallel. So students, this figure is a trapezium. So students, it is question number 5 of exercise 6a, and it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.